I always wondered and thought about that I was too old to start my business. I worked at General Motors, so I would go to school, go back to Battle Creek, cook, fix my kids' dinner, lay their clothes out, and then go to work. I did that for 32 and a half years. So my passion has always been baking. From the time I was a little girl, I had an easy bake oven. So I would bake from there, and I just love seeing the cakes and stuff. And so then I just started baking for people, family members, church members, co-workers. I started attending Dr. Statia's virtual and her live conferences, the Success Conference. For me, attending the virtual events have just been just as exciting as doing the live. It literally changed my mindset, and it changed the way I thought about baking. It made me think, wow, I really could make money from this and live off of it. I went from having a hobby, then having a profitable business. And I have serviced people like the Louis Vuitton stores, Betsy Johnson. I've done stuff for celebrities. After I purchased my food truck, I sold out all of my product. I've written my first book. Woo-hoo! I'm about to be 63 years old. My journey isn't over because I want to leave a legacy for my kids and my grandkids. I'm gonna still keep coaching with Dr. Stacia and Ariana because they are the key to my life and my success.